Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Canva for learning t-shirt designs. This is a beginner level class, so if you're planning to learn t-shirt designing, then you are in the right place because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started with t-shirt designs. Let's take a look what you will introduction and overview of Adobe Photoshop, photo combined t-shirt designs, grunge t-shirt designs, Christmas t-shirt design, anime t-shirt designs. Introduction and overview of Illustrator, sports t-shirt design, varsity club t-shirt design, typography t-shirt design, introduction and overview of Canva, streetwear t-shirt design, business t-shirt design, school t-shirt design, and aesthetic t-shirt designs. After completing this class, you will be able to understand design principles, use design software proficiently, create original artwork, develop brand identity, consider fabric and printing methods, adapt designs for various audiences, stay updated on design trends, communicate effectively with clients, prepare designs for production, build a professional portfolio. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So what you have learned, you will be able to participate in class project and you can practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Canva for t-shirt designs together.